How to change desktop background image in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change desktop background image on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you already have an image in your desktop, then all you have to do is navigate to that image, right click on it, and from this menu box you will have an option as set as background or set as desktop background. Click on it, and there you go. Now the image or the background image has been changed. But in case if you don't have any image in your desktop, then what you can do is right click on the blank space and here click on personalize. After that, click on background, and here these are some of the images that are provided by default by the Microsoft. If you want to select one of that, you can do that as well, or if not, you can browse some photo from your device as well. Click on browse photos, and then you can add some photos from your device as well. And that's how you can change background or the desktop background image in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.